Hi, welcome back. In today's episode, I will be using my festival palette by Byeeee Cosmetics, and it's super pretty. I will be creating this look. So, if that's something you're interested in, then stay tuned. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with this Kat Von D Prime and Correct primer, and I set it with translucent powder, so I'm looking a little crazy. I'm gonna start with my eyes, and it is beautiful. Yes, it is. I'm gonna start with the shade Swag, and I'm gonna put this all in my crease. And a little bit on the outer corner, right here. This should zoom you in. Oh, that is super pretty. Next, I am using the shade Electric, and I'm going to put that on the same spot. I'm going to put that in the crease. I'm going to smoke this color out all the way to my eyebrow. That is super pretty. Now I'm going to lightly take Swag on the same brush, and I'm going to put it on my lid, avoiding the inner part of the lid, just very lightly. And then I'm going to take the shade Palooza and put that very lightly on the inside part of the lid. And those are just like a base that I put down for the shimmers. Now taking my JH41 brush, I'm going to take the shade Wicked and put that over this purple that I put, avoiding the inner corner. Now taking the same brush, I'm going to put the shade Ultimate on the inner part of my lid. Now I'm going to take Wicked again, and I'm just going to put it a little bit over Ultimate, which is that blue shimmer shade, just to help it blend a little better. Now I'm going to clean out this bit of fallout and put on my foundation and concealer, and then I will be back. Now I'm going to take Electric on my JH40 brush, and I'm going to put that all on the bottom. I'm going to kind of connect it here. I'm going to really smoke that out on the bottom. And I'm going to use JH37 brush to smoke it out. I'm going to put just a little tiny bit on my brush and tap it, and then put it as close as I can to the lash line, and then smoke it out. This, tapping it. Now I'm going to take my JH43 brush and using the shade Swag, put that as close as I can to my lash line. Then using the same brush, I'm gonna take Palooza and put that on the very inner part. Just a little bit, just to kind of make a base for the shade Ultimate. Now, I'm gonna take the shade Ultimate using the same brush, the JH43. And I'm gonna put that on there. And I'm putting it on the inner part close to my lash line. And I'm gonna take the shade Trixie and I'm gonna put that here to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm taking my JH38. I'm going to highlight with the shade Trixie in my inner corner. Take the shade up a little bit. And now I'm going to bronze using the ABH bronzer in the shade Rosewood. And now I'm going to contour using the Kat Von D palette, and I'm going to use this shade and this shade. The nose contour, I usually just use this lightest shade just for the nose. For blush, I'm gonna use my ABH blush trio in Pool Party, and I'm gonna use this shade and this shade mixed, which is Pageant and Cash. Now using the shade Cash on the same blush brush, I'm just gonna go around my nose, on the bottom and in the middle. To highlight, I am going to use the shade Spectra, which is this purple shade, from the ABH Aurora palette. For my nose highlight and my chin, I'm gonna use this shade called Luna, which is a more pinky shade. Now to finish the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and put wings on with this Tartiste liner. And then I'm gonna do my lashes and I will be right back. For lips, I'm gonna use the NYX Lip Lingerie shade and Embellishment. And then I'm going to set it with the Make It Last setting spray by Milani. Oh good, I got some all over my shirt. Now my shirt will be in place all day. This is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for all the crazy different lighting that we went through. It was a whole adventure with the lighting in this one, I think. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a super fun day. Let me know if you guys liked this video or you like my style. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff that you guys love to do. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye! Okay, so come on. Really did. Alright. Swag. Better. And then I'm gonna shake. Dude, stay in focus. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's a lady walking outside. She's taking out her trash. Okay. Awkward. She's gonna be like, what are you doing in there?